With the upcoming launch of Agile Coretime on Polkadot, also secondary marketplaces with Blockspace will emerge, and one of them is Lastic. Let's explore how the market with Polkadot's Blockspace will work. Blockspace is the primary product produced by Polkadot's cores. Polkadot has currently around 50 cores, but with Polkadot 2.0 there will be potentially hundreds cores. Each Polkadot core produces Blockspace, and this secure Blockspace is what parachains need for their transactions to be executed and finalized in the block. So when app chains buy Coretime, they are buying the right to use Polkadot's Blockspace with all its valuable features, mainly shared security and interoperability with other app chains. The current parachain auctions model is expensive, not efficient, lengthy, but mainly creates another barriers for builders who are mainly looking to quickly build their dApps. That's why Polkadot is shifting towards Coretime model, where projects will be able to easily purchase Coretime on Polkadot's cores with DOT. So any project with DOT will get an instantaneous access to Polkadot's Blockspace, and what's more, those DOTs will likely get burned, creating deflationary impact. There will be actually two types of Blockspace marketplaces, primary and secondary marketplace. The primary marketplace is when the project purchases Coretime directly from the Polkadot relay chain. And what's the secondary Blockspace market? Because the bulk Coretime will be purchased as NFTs, it will allow projects to participate on the secondary Blockspace market, meaning the projects that will have purchased Coretime directly from Polkadot will be able to trade this owned Blockspace and resell it. This secondary Blockspace market will also bring speculation, as it's always the case on marketplaces, and one such a Blockspace market is Lastic. Lastic has been all over Polkadot Twitter lately. Lastic is a new emerging Blockspace marketplace on Polkadot that is built directly on Polkadot's Coretime model. Lastic will enable other projects to list their purchased Blockspace on the marketplace, where Blockspace can be divided and resold to other users or projects. Lastic will offer even more flexible Blockspace than what will be offered directly by the Polkadot relay chain. Blockspace available on Lastic will be fully customizable and will go beyond those two known Coretime models, bulk and instantaneous. Users and projects on Lastic will be able to trade with Blockspace, resell, and even speculate on the growth of the price of the Blockspace. Lastic UI will be similar to traditional DEXs interfaces with real-time Coretime data and insights about the usage of Polkadot's Coretime. Users will be able to submit bids and asks for Coretime, and all this will create healthy, transparent, and very efficient market with Polkadot's Blockspace. So very interesting projects are recently emerging, aiming to leverage Polkadot's core technology, be it Tanssi or now Lastic. I currently see two big bottlenecks preventing Polkadot from bigger adoption. The first is complexity of building and deploying an app chain. This is exactly what Tanssi aims to solve by making app chain deployment on Polkadot much easier and faster. Thanks to Tanssi, deploying an app chain will take just a few hours instead of months. And the second big bottleneck is securing Polkadot's core and getting access to Polkadot's Blockspace, and this is what Lastic aims to facilitate. Projects like Tanssi and Lastic are gonna make it significantly easier and faster to deploy an app chain and access Coretime, which should really greatly accelerate the adoption of Polkadot. The first half next year will be crucial for Polkadot. Tanssi will deploy a parachain by first half next year, and Lastic will launch its marketplace soon after Coretime hits Kusama and Polkadot, so also early next year. Thanks for tuning in, till next time.